Okay, so you need to install the software called Ecovacs Home. Then just install it from this let me say Ecovacs Home. Okay, then open it. And I'm not sure after this it will detect the device or not. So just to move on. Right here. Okay. Next. Then agree to it. Agree to it. Privacy. Okay. Next. Then put some email address. Email address. Enter the password. So basically, I have to register して、読みます。はい、おはようございます。まず、昨日ちょっとセッティングしたやつを、チャージして、朝このエコバカスホームっていうものをまずダウンロードしてみました。Alright, just saved it, register it, then that's it. Then I have to add the Ecovacs robots. No robots found. To refresh the list if you have added one. Not sure I'll be able to add it, so I need to go. Let me just click on it. See, I recommend the QR code on the device add robot. Okay, so QR code is should be on the device, maybe. Not sure. Okay. QR コードはどこなのかわかんないんで、多分デバイスですかね。So I found the QR code on the top of robot. So I will add the DeeBot 900 series. So I need to press.
I'm starting the clean.
めっちゃいいねこれ。いちいち悪いね。
なんか吸い込んじゃった、ケイのも。
これちょっとストップして。
ケイ君。
I'm ready for network setup.
OK。ね。
お。自分で拭いてじゃん。鼻拭いて。
Okay, so I just need to connect to the 2.4 gigahertz, then should be able to connect it to it. Okay, so open the cover, switch the DeeBot, wait until startup. Okay. Then press 1 second. Then this one is 1 second.
I'm ready for network setup.
Okay.
Connected.
Okay,
Please go back
so
to
now it's
Ecovacs app to
connected.
continue the setup.
So connected to your phone, then do not send the app to the background. Okay. So basically connect to the cloud, and I think picking up the background. みたいです。Wi-Fi を設定するのに 2.4 2.4GHz に設定 Wi-Fi してで、スイッチオンにして Wi-Fi は小さいこのとこを押してやるみたいです。で日本語はなってないので今は英語ですね。はい。Then DeeBot OZMO 920 series online. Then I can start cleaning. So let me do that later because it has all this sensor. First test the room around, then clean up. Then it will tell like where the room and some of the places to avoid. So it knows all this. So I did start to clean it. It looks good, promising. So I'll just see like how it is. Okay.